How to install sleeve anchors. Sleeve anchors are ideal for light to medium-duty hollow wall applications such as brick and block. For this installation, you'll require a hammer drill, masonry drill bit, and sockets. Hole size and hole depth are important when installing sleeve anchors. You can measure and use tape to mark the depth to drill. We list the correct hole size and minimum embedment depth on the product details of each sleeve anchor. Drill the hole into the concrete using a hammer drill and masonry drill bit. Clear the hole of any dust and debris so that the anchor can see properly. Insert the sleeve anchor through your application into the hole. Tap the sleeve anchor into the hole until the washer is flush with the surface. Using a wrench or socket, tighten the nut of the sleeve anchor, adhering to recommended torque specifications based on your application. For more information on sizing and installing sleeve anchors, visit boltdepot.com. Bolt Depot. Fastener shopping made easy.